sure to subscribe and stay. From the title you can tell that I did a nice little gender reveal. Get ready with me today. It's really cute. One pink eye, one blue eye. Speaks for itself. It is not my gender reveal, let's say that. It's my cousin's, but I did do my cute little makeup for her gender reveal today. And I did my cute little pigtails. I thought that was like really cute and different. But if you want to see how I did this makeup look, go ahead and keep watching because we're gonna get into it. Okay guys, so a little disclaimer for the face portion, which I am doing first before my eyes. I'm going to speed through it. You guys have seen me do my face a million times. I am going to show up, but I'm not going to talk. I want to mainly do the talking when I get to the eyes. So I'll put a little timestamp in case you guys just want to get straight to the chitter chatter, straight to the eyes. I'll give you the little secret passageway to that. But for the face I am going to show you, but I'm going to just play some music because I'm going to play some music in real life and we're going to vibe. So for the face portion, just know it's gonna get sped through. I am very much aware of the makeup in my baby hairs on both sides. I'm gonna fix that later, don't worry about it, but just in case y'all want to like clock me for it. I can see it, I know. Alright, you guys already know the deal with concealer if you don't already, but I let this sit for like 5 minutes. So we're gonna wait 5 minutes. Alright, so we're finally on the eyes. I'm just gonna bake while my eyes are getting done in case I get any fallout, because I am gonna do some pretty colorful looks. I want to do one blue eye, one pink eye, and I'll let you guys know what side I'm on a little bit later. But one pink eye, one blue eye, that should be fun. I don't think I've ever done that before. We're gonna start with the pink eye. You guys, speaking of pink eye, the one time that I got pink eye, which was recently, it was this year. I literally got pink eye earlier this year, because I would sleep in my contacts for like a year, for months at a time, would never ever take them out. And of course I knew the consequences, but I still did it. And not only that, I would wear contacts that were for only a month. I would wear them for like, I would wear like month long contacts. So there are contacts that you can wear for a day and throw them out, contacts you can wear for a month and throw them out. And I would wear month-long contacts for a month at a time. And so I got pink eye from that, and then it went on into a really bad infection. And from that, I don't recommend sleeping in your contacts. But yeah, me saying pink eye made me think of that. But the gender reveal that I'm going to today is for my first cousin. She is my uncle, my mom's brother's daughter. And she is going to be the first one to make my grandma a great grandma out of all of us. My grandma only had my mom and my uncle. None of us have had kids yet, and she's gonna be the first one. She's like 26 or something. I am team boy. See her having a girl too. I just am gonna be team boy for the day, but I had to rock both colors just in case you guys don't know by now, or if you haven't guessed, I am doing half cut crease because y'all know that's my favorite thing to do. I'm curious to know what you guys want for your first child, if you have children, if you don't have children. If you have children already, comment down below. I would love to know if my viewers have children. If so, do you have boys, girls, how old are they? But also, if you don't have kids, let me know down below if you want kids, if you know you have a specific gender that you would like to have, if you're like me and you don't really mind what you have. Mix these two blues. I'm gonna dip into like this midnighty blue that I have. Can you see that? Yeah, you can. I'm gonna add my little special touch that I like to add, which is white eyeliner, if you know me. When I tell you I can't breathe right now, that's as good as it's gonna get. Like up close, you can see where I messed up. I'm not gonna dwell on that because I can't breathe, like I said. So let's let this dry and we'll do the same thing over here. The blue is like an exact match, but we're gonna deepen it up just like we did this one. But I'm about to add the liner. I left a little gap just specifically for the liner, and that blue had a lot of fallout, but same liner. Oh, I can't breathe. Gave me the most anxiety, like the most possible. They're not even, and we love that because why would it go perfect? Why would it? I'm gonna darken up the outer part just so that it looks a little bit better. Right eye never hits the same. Never. It's like she doesn't want to be a part of the family, and that's fine. That's perfectly fine. But you gonna act right. That's what you are gonna do. This is what I get for always saying, I never miss. I never miss. Yeah, you do. So what do you call this, Miss Mamas? Missing. It's giving me Harley Quinn. You know what it makes me think of? Like Aurora and Cinderella. It's very, very whimsical. Even though I'm team boy, I want my blush to be very pink because I don't have blue blush, so y'all know I could do this all day long. The construction next door, I cannot wait for them to be done. I think they're building an entire house. And the sounds 24/7, I need to make videos, so I don't know what to tell y'all. I'm gonna do Shop Last Dreams Bay because they're pretty. They have spaces in between. They're not like too full, so you'll still be able to do my makeup, but they're really fluffy and I love. The construction at this point, when I started, for the silent part of my video, there was no construction. I'm gonna go ahead and add some highlight. I'm gonna use the Dior Nude. Don't know what color or what shade, but it says nude on it. This one is really, really subtle. I don't want to be too glowy because the attention should be on the eyes, as long as they took to do. I don't highlight my brow bone anymore. I kind of just leave it. I feel like it looks, the makeup looks a lot cleaner on the eyes because that would always like mess up the edges. So we're gonna do the lip. You guys know my infamous lip. I use the same stuff every time. It's always either Dior Provocative Brown or Cork by MAC, either one, but the lips are always Charlotte Tilbury Hepburn Honey, now renamed Hey Honey. I thought it got discontinued and I almost had a literal panic attack because I thought I had found the most perfect nude, and I was like, so you're telling me it got discontinued? That's what you're trying to tell me? But they just changed the name because Hepburn Honey is, you know, Audrey Hepburn. So we're gonna line the lips. The noise, you would think, oh, they only work Monday through Friday or on the weekends. They work every single day. It's just a little noisy. It's just... I'm starving. The long story short, I think you guys were lopsided the entire time, but we're gonna just ignore that. This is the completed look, and maybe you can tell, maybe you can't. I am team boy. I could definitely see my cousin having a boy. Hopefully you guys like this look. Hopefully if you guys have a gender reveal of your own, or if you're going to one and you don't know what to do with your makeup, I feel like this is kind of like corny because you can do one pink eye and one blue eye, but I don't know, I think about my makeup for events. I don't really think so much about my outfits. I think about that kind of ahead of time, but my makeup is more important. So hopefully you guys like this look. Make sure you thumbs down. Make sure you thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe for some more leaky like, turn on your post notifications that you never ever miss when I post a video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.